Hey, it's DC here. Today's home tip is to utilize your backyard. Whether you are, in the summertime, you want to utilize your backyard, whether you're selling your home or you just want to maximize your space. Let's be honest, here in Toronto, the winters are kind of harsh. We don't get to experience the outside for much of the year. Now's the time you can. So what do we need to do is utilize your backyard to its best potential by setting up different zones. That was a tongue twister. Yeah, so you can set up a place for people to sit and lounge, maybe have another spot for a fireplace, maybe have another spot for a barbecue. It's nice to have those certain zones. And if you're selling your home, what that does is if you set up zones, it makes your backyard appear bigger than it actually is than just having a blank canvas. So whether you're selling your home or whether you just want to enjoy your backyard and maximize your space instead of just living inside, it's always a good idea to set up different zones in your backyard. Hope you enjoyed this tip.